everyone, welcome back to Wiggin with Christi. I have my earbuds in because the cord to hook up to my mic just came apart and like the wires are showing. So I don't think my mic's gonna work. So anyways, I am doing an unboxing review, but you can see my earbuds in, so hopefully it picks up for my mic. But this is a new piece by Rene of Paris Orchid Collection called Sassy. And this is in the color SUNKISS, which I have never reviewed before, and I have not opened this yet. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing review. I just want to thank Wig Studio for sending me this wig to review for you. They sent this video to me to provide the content, but these are my own thoughts and opinions, and you're gonna get an unboxing reaction. So let's go ahead and open this. So just going to lift this up here. Oh, the stuffing kind of came out of that. So as you can see, oh, I'm covering the list. I was gonna show it to you. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Oh, I like it. I was not expecting this. I don't even know if I looked at the color swab. It comes out of here, has a circular tube there for probably the shape keeping. This is a new piece for 2021, part of the Orchid new collection. They just released some new styles. So I always store my wigs how they come to me. I don't have a lot of room, so it's easier for me with all the wigs that I have to store them. So I took off that netting, and this is how it is shaped on the inside, and that is to keep that good shape. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and do inside the cap first, and then we will look at the color. But this is a basic cap construction, but I'm really liking it, so let me show it to you. My first reaction here. Okay, so just basic cap. There is no metal piece there in the front, okay? Nice, really soft, almost like that mesh fabric. And the ear tabs are felt ear tabs. And this basic cap, look at, it's wefted, but it has that soft mesh. Really nice and soft and closed in. So for me, this is gonna be a more comfortable basic cap. It's not just your standard wefts, open wefted. It is a basic cap, but it's a mesh look, and it's really soft. So I'm really excited of how that's gonna feel on the head, which it's time to kind of do a reshave here. Also, this is a felt velvet nape, and it's extended nape with Velcro jesters. So one, I'm actually really surprised with this basic cap construction. You don't see basic cap constructions this nice, usually. Okay, so let's take a look at this color. It's SUNKISS color. Just looking at it, I see some warmth to this piece. Definitely it's a warm piece. Oh, here's a string. It has some shedding, just as normal for new wigs. Very pretty. I see some blonde, I see some reds. Obviously I see a brown root. So this color description is a medium brown base with a blend of strawberry blonde. So I was right when I said I was seeing some red. I mean, it's obviously strawberry blonde, not red. And golden blonde highlights. So it's like a brown base with strawberry blonde and the golden blonde highlights. Really pretty. Let's go ahead and put this on. This wig actually fits very nice and has room. I would say this can definitely fit to a 22.5-inch head. Don't be afraid of that mesh cap. This could definitely go to a 22.5 because there is room to take out. I have that all the way to that line there. It is non-lace front. It's kind of gonna go down in that side. Now, this is heat friendly. So you can definitely do some styling with this piece with the heat friendly fibers. There's some layers in here going on for sure, which could be cute for styling purposes. I could really see this being used for like a wedding or like a half do type thing and kind of do some elegant curls and pinning them back. so you don't have a whole lot of hair with these layers built in. We'll do some styling here in a little bit. So it is heat-friendly fiber, so it's just gonna be different. You're gonna wanna watch these ends. It's kind of a shaggy, layered shoulder look piece. Natural density, not like really thick. Also, for permatease, there's just a tiny bit, but wow, I'm actually, yeah, right in here. There's some permatease up here in the crown. But overall, I'm really impressed with the density of this wig. Really impressed. And with that mesh cap, it's gonna give you a more natural feel to it. It's gonna really hug your head and not feel like your typical basic cap. I'm actually really impressed with the cap construction on this. Feels great. Let's go ahead and do a spin. Wow, just a lot you can do with this, am I right? The layers provide flexibility, the natural density. With this being heat-friendly fiber, you can style it, add some curls, flip it out, flip it under. You can do whatever you want. I'd recommend no higher than a 350 heat, but I can definitely check and put what Rene of Paris might suggest, but usually the typical standard is 350, 360 degrees. You really don't want to go any higher than that to just protect the fibers. So what do you guys think of this piece? She's cute. I actually am very impressed with the heat, like I said, the cap construction, and so far with the fibers for this. She reminds me a lot of several pieces that I've had, and I think she's kind of like a low density, low permatease, better cap construction, basic cap for the Rene of Paris to offer with like a layered, styleable piece, if that makes sense. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this piece. I just want to thank Wig Studio One for sending me this piece. Wig Studio One is a wig online retailer. They also have an in-store now up in the Vancouver, Washington location, but primarily they're all online, and you can talk to a personal hair consultant during our business hours with our live chat button on our website. We also have a Facebook group of almost 17,000 ladies, and we are on Instagram and on Facebook. So down below will be links to how you can connect with Wig Studio One. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have your support. Click the subscribe button down below. Give a thumbs up, leave a comment what you think of this wig. What do you think of these new upgrades, it seems like, for this basic cap? I'm enjoying it. It feels really nice and comfortable on my head, and I'm pretty picky with that. So I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.